something that is maybe you're going to be amazed because of the camera in there. They have a detector camera in there showing your temperature. So I'm going to show it to you if it's really good or what. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this. The temperature is 35. It's 35.4. How about you? Why don't you try to do it? Do it. Oh, it's 35. Oh, see, look at that. How amazing it is. That is what we call here in the high technology in Japan. And let's see. Well, I'm still waiting for the wrapping of gift. Let's have a look here. What is inside of Uniqlo? This one is also a very what's this, best place to shop. You know, the things in here, the clothes are very cheap compared to other, you know, malls like that. And what else more? You can find the best clothes in here also in a very cheap one. It is really cheap. I'm sorry. Look. Oh, maybe I'm not going to buy anything in here. I'm done. So, I love this. Best for winter. Look at the price. Look at that. You can have it in 1,290 yen. So that's gonna be maybe 500 pesos in Philippines. Also, not bad, right? So let's take it down for some more. Ah, this is not good for us.
Oh.
Look at that. They have the sandals, the room wear. And this is, I think, we need this one because since it is winter, so we need to have a warmer. Oh, this is for babies. Come on, let's go somewhere. I need to find a warmer. Oh, this one's not good. Don't sorry. Where is it? I need to find a warmer. Is this?
No, cool neck.
Okay.
Pajamas.
Pajama corner. I got one. Oh. You can find lots of different colors that you like. How about it? Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to find a warmer. Where is it now? It's here. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This one. This one. Oh. This is a warm one. Anyway. I'm gonna be back there. This one is good. Do you like this one?
Nope.
Oh. Look at the price here. Compared to Philippines, it's a little bit cheaper, you know, here in Japan. Well, it is, you know, it is expected because, you know, the car, what's this? Packaging, so a bit bigger. So, what are you gonna do? Anything? Enough. I think enough. It's okay.